Alright, our next step is to actually get the ROM. Again, this is a Venum ROM. It's called Boa. I really like this ROM. This is my current daily driver. You're going to download the ROM. I'll have the link to this webpage in my description. There'll be several theming options. And then I'm also going to be installing a mod, this one right here, that will give me those really cool snake fangs for my signal. And we have, sorry about that, we have Defuse to thank for that. So make sure and thank him. That's a really awesome, awesome little touch to this ROM that is really cool anyway. So once you have that file as well as a zip file for the ROM on your SD card or your internal storage, we're going to go ahead and power down our phone. Okay, so our phone is powering off. Wait till our little lights go out. Okay, we're going to go into recovery mode. Keep in mind, I'm doing this from a gingerbread ROM, EL26. Now, to go into recovery, you're going to use the up button and the power button simultaneously. Wait until you get the Samsung screen. Let go. If I did it right, we should be going into Clockwork Mod. Excellent. As you can see, we're on Clockwork Mod Recovery version 5.0.2.7. That's the one you want to be on. Now, in order to get it to work, you need to start by pressing the up button on your volume, and then the down button, and then the up button, then the down button. And it should, after you do that, it should say back menu enabled. That'll let you use the power button to select. So up and down, select. First thing we're going to do is we are going to go to mounts and storage, and we're going to format system. Now, I've mentioned this before on some of my other ROMs. I personally like to format my, do each of these steps 3 times, just to make sure everything's clean. I mean, it's not something you have to do. It's a habit I got back with the original Epic, and it's a hard habit to break, so I'm going to go ahead and format this 3 times. Sorry about the focus there. Okay, so we're formatted. Let's see if I can get this to focus again. There we go. Sorry about that. I'm going to go back. I'm going to wipe cache partition. I'm going to wipe cache partition. And a 3rd time. Now I will wipe Delphic. And that's in advanced. So I'll do that 3 times and this is in the advanced menu. Okay, done that 3 times, go back, and finally I'm going to wipe data factory restore. Just going to wipe all my data. Keep in mind this wipes everything off your phone. And one last time. Alright, now we get to the fun part. we're going to go back. We're going to install zip from SD card or SD card, and we're going to choose zip. On my phone it's internal storage. If you have it on the SD card, that's fine, wherever you put it. And then it's on the bottom here, and it is the Venum Boa version 0.1.1 currently is what we have. And I'm going to go ahead and install it. And we just wait a couple moments. Keep in mind, it just takes a little bit of time to install the files. Don't freak out that it's taking a little bit of time here. We're almost there. Okay, you've been infected. Alright, now go back, and we're going to reboot the system now. And we're going to get to see the boot animation here. Alright, now keep in mind this initial boot is going to take a little bit of time. Get to watch that awesome boot animation a couple extra times over what you normally would get to, but just give it time, and I'll be back once we get it up, and then I'll show you the final step to put on the fangs. Alright, it just finished booting up, and it's got a real nice initial background. And if you look, it starts out, signal bars are sideways. Nice looking ROM initially, but we're still not done because I want the cool little thing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna restart our phone. Well, actually we're powering it off. Awesome little closing boot animation. And we're gonna wait till the phone goes off, and we're gonna boot back into recovery just like before. And we're going to do the up, down when we get into recovery so that it'll work. So I'll be right back once we get to that point. Actually, I apologize. You don't have to do the up, down because we have a different recovery. Now, what we're going to need to do is we're going to install zip from SD card. So we have the AGAT recovery. And we're going to install from, again, it can be SD card or internal storage. I have all my ROMs on internal storage currently. And I'm going to the bottom. Let's see if I can get my phone to focus. I mean my camera to focus here. There we go. And I am going to be doing the Boa Curved Fangs add-on that you download from the main page here. Add-on zip. Again, I'm using my power button to select. Install the curved fangs. Install from SD card complete. Go back. Reboot menu. And we're going to reboot the system, which is your top choice. Something about custom boot animations are just really neat to one of the reasons I really enjoy ROMs. Anyway, so here's our Team Venum lock screen. Keep in mind we just flashed this, and I'm going to go ahead and unlock it. And there we go, our fangs for signal bars. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and sign out at this time. I'll have a separate review of the ROM. Thank you very much, and if you like it, please go ahead and hit thanks. Have a great day. Bye.